Hi guys, welcome to Zussiemakesit. In this video, we're gonna be installing a fountain for a friend, and I'm gonna show you all the steps that I'm gonna take, what you need, and everything that it involves so that you can have the same results as I do. It's a small fountain, so it's really easy to put together, but you do need the right steps to be able to make it work. So this is how it's gonna look, and let me show you right now how it's looking. Let's go. So this is how it's looking right now. This is the fountain, and my friend wants to have some cinder blocks, some height to it so that it's not so short. So this is the place that we're gonna be putting it, and I'm leveling off the soil here so that it can be nice and leveled, and that's what we're gonna do right now. I have a buddy here that's gonna be helping me, my little helper for the day. This is Oliver. Hey Oliver. He's very entertained with everything that I'm doing right now. So first off, as you can see, we have the soil where I'm leveling. This is the fountain. It's in 3 parts. It's really heavy. It's a cement fountain, and so that we can level it, I'm just, getting the soils loose. And I have this, I don't know the name, but this is what I'm using right now, and I need to compact it in a way somehow after, and I do see that this is going this way going down to the right. So let me get my level. So you can see there it's a little bit off, so we're gonna try to get more of the soil from here, carve it out a little bit more so that it's leveled, and that we can put the cinder blocks and that they are nice and they're set and nothing moves or wobbles. So I don't have a tamper, but I did find this like border, and you can see here that it's much better leveled. Nice. I'm gonna see that everywhere it's the same level, because this is just in this spot. So I'll put it over here. Now I'll put it in the back and see if everything is good, and then I'll also do the other way, looking this way, to see how off or how level we are right now. I think we're way off. Yeah, way off. I think we have to put a little bit more soil in the back. So this is as level as it can get with the tools that I have, and like how I showed you with the brick that I used, my little hack there. And this is the idea. This base is gonna go on top of here so that it can give it height, and then she's gonna use these holes to do some planting, some little flowers, some cutesy stuff, and I'm gonna put it together right now. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I needed to level this so that it could be completely, right on both sides, going vertical and then going this way. And you can see that this one kind of lifted. Probably need to lift it a little bit more from the front. just a tiny bit. But what I'm using and what I wanted to share is I used a lid because I didn't bring any shims, but I used the plastic lid because this is going to be outside, and I'm shimming it up right here underneath so you can see. Well, maybe you can't, but I'm using the shims, and that's how I'm leveling it. So now we are cleaning it, making sure that there's no dust, and then my friend Maria is gonna help me to put it on top of here. And then the rest is gonna be super easy. This is the pump that we got at Lowe's. I'm gonna leave a link here for something similar. And this is one of the little ones. You really don't need that much power, so I'll show you how I'm gonna install it. So this is the pump. It's a little tiny pump that is gonna go in here, and it has the plug. I'm just gonna try to jam the plug, and we also gonna need some tubing. This is a clear tubing that you can get. In this case, this is 1/2-inch tubing, and you're gonna put this piece that you see here, which it comes with two. Oops, it's this one. With this one, you're gonna adapt it over here. So it's a little adapter that goes here this way. The smooth part goes in here, and then the little ridges go here so that it can catch the tubing. So in my case, I already have it done. So I'm just going to get it there, as you can see. And now we're going to get this hose to go through the fountain part, which goes underneath right here. All right, so I had to cut this here. Now the trick here, this is where, oh! Okay, so this is where the cable is gonna go, and we have to connect it somewhere. And then this right here goes into the hole that I had told you. I was trying to figure out where the tubing was coming from the bottom to the top, and I couldn't see anything, but somehow there is something in here where it goes. I'm sorry, there's something that goes from here and then it turns, and I guess that's where the thing goes up to the spout. So we're gonna have to have two people hold this, and then one person is gonna have to put this through here, the tube, and that way we can get it connected. We had to figure out how to make this fountain installation stable, because the parts are not attached to each other. So the bottom part and the middle part are just basically held together by gravity. They're put together one on top of each other. And then the top part, the third, where the water's coming out, luckily there was a hook in the back of that, and then I attached a hook to the wall. There was some wire laying around. I used that, and then we just had to basically connect it to a electricity source, and voila. Guys, I had told you that this connector that you see here, that it was a replacement for the 1/2-inch. No, it's actually, there's two sizes that you can choose from. So there's a 3/8 adapter that you can see there, and a 1/2-inch as well. This right here was the first attempt, and you can see the water's coming out from one side and a little bit from the other. So I fiddled around a little bit more, and we were able to get it to fall all together.
Ajá. Se puede copiar así como el talavera. Ajá.
No estaba grabando.
Ah,
estaba en pausa.
Awesome.
So this is how it ended up looking. They are going to do some adjustments because they are going to be sealing, and we're going to put some silicone over here because otherwise the fountain leaks from this side, and it's because the water goes to that side and goes to the back. As you can see here, I added, I put some planters for her so that she can put her flowers, and then we put a little talavera decoration there too, a sun. And right here she's gonna put her plantings of more flowers or whatever she wants to put in there, looking super cute. So she's gonna style it later and make it look beautiful, but it is looking so much better than before. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. What else would you do here? Give her ideas because she wants to know what else could she do here. So let me know in the comments. I'll let her know. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.